Hello, how to solve this problem? 1 over 8 raised to power x plus 8 raised to power x plus 8 raised to power x plus 8 raised to power x equals to 64. From here, we can factor 8 raised to power x out, and this becomes 1 over 8 raised to power x into bracket. When we divide through by the 8 raised to power x, it remains 1 plus 1 plus 1 then plus 1, which is equals to 64. Then we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's 4. Then we can write this again as 1 over 8 raised to power x times 4 equals to 64. And we can change all the numbers here to the number in base 2. So we have 1 over 2 raised to power 3 x, because 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3, then times 4 it can be written as 2 raised to power 2, which is equals to, here we have 2 raised to power 6. 64 can be written as 2 raised to power 6. And from here, let's cross multiply. We have this as over 1. So when we cross multiply, 2 raised to power 6 will multiply this, and this will become 2 raised to power 3x times 2 raised to power 2, then times 2 raised to power 6, which is equals to 1 times 1, that's 1. And we have same base here, and they multiply. So we can write 1 and add the power from the law of indices, and this is 3x plus 2, then plus 6 is equals to 1. Then from here, we can add this together, and this will become 2 raised to power 3x plus 8. This can be written as 2 raised to power 0, and 2 raised to power 0 is same thing as 1. You are just joining us, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button as well. Now from here, we have same base here. Then let's equate the power. We have 3x plus 8, then will be equals to 0. Then from here, let's take 8 to the other side. Then we have 3x equals to minus 8. Divide both sides by 3 so as to remove this 3 here. Then x will be equals to minus 8 over 3. Then we can put this value of x in the equation given in order to confirm that the solution is correct. From what we have, 1 over 8 raised to power x in 4 places here, added together. Then when we put the value, let's bring this one down as 1 over x is minus 8 over 3, and this 8 here, let's write it again as 2 raised to power 3 x, that's the same thing as 8 raised to power x, then plus 2 raised to power 3x plus 2 raised to power 3x plus 2 raised to power 3x. And from here, when we substitute the value of x to be minus 8 over 3, so this same thing as 1 over, this is equal to 64. So we want to confirm whether this here will give us 64. Then by the time we simplify this, we have this become 1 divided by 2 raised to power 3 times minus 8 over 3, because that's the value of x, then plus 2 raised to power 3 times minus 8 over 3, then plus 2 raised to power 3 into bracket minus 8 over 3, and also we still have it again as another one, that's plus 2 raised to power 3 into bracket minus 8 over 3, which is equals to 64. So is this one equals to 64? Then when you look at this, 3 will cancel 3, 3 cancel 3, 3 cancel 3, these 3 cancel each other, and this will reduce to 1 over 2 raised to power minus 8 plus 2 raised to power minus 8 plus 2 raised to power minus 8 plus 2 raised to power minus 8. Will this be equal to 64? Then when we look at this from here, we have this added together. That's same thing as 1 over 4 times, because we have it in 4 places, 2 raised to power minus 8. Will this be equal to 64? Then we can also write 4 as 2 raised to power 2. We have 1 over 2 raised to power 2, then times 2 raised to power minus 8. Is this equals to 64? Then by the time we look at this from here, we can add this power together since they multiply, and this will be 1 over 2 minus 8, that's 2 raised to power minus 6. Then is this equals to 64? Then from here, we have 2 raised to power minus 6, then raised to power minus 1, because 1 over is same thing as, raised to power minus. Is this equals to 64? Then we have minus times minus. That's same thing as plus. That's 2 raised to power 6. Will this give us 64? And when you find this one, we discover that this is 64, which is equals to 64. And here, the left hand side equals to the right hand side. Therefore, x equals to minus 8 over 3 is the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Also subscribe for more of our videos. See you in the next class, and bye for now.